When a woman is in love, she will be your best friend out of love, and also your worst enemy when she is out of love. एक रुमानी शाम की लाली खतरे की लाली भी तो बन सकती है. आज अगर मीरा है तो कल काली भी तो बन सकती है. When a man cheats on a woman, she knows that she is loving someone who's already been loved. She knows that she is caring for someone who's already been taken care of. She knows that she is cooking for someone who's already had dinner, washed his hands, and gone to sleep. When a man cheats on a woman, she knows वो बेवफाई देख सकती है उसकी छुपती नजर में, उसके हाथ की छुअन में, उसके अपने बदन में, उसकी कहानियों में, उसके किस्सों में, उसकी कविताओं में वो बेवफाई देख सकती है. वो समझ लेती है कि हर रांझे की हीर होना जरूरी नहीं, हर रूह के साथ शरीर होना जरूरी नहीं that she forgives or forgets out of love or fights since she is out of love. क्योंकि जरूरी ये भी नहीं कि हर बेवफाई का सिला माफी हो. कोई बात नहीं, it's a one-off thing. माफ कर दो उसे out of love. जरूरी नहीं कि उसको भूल जाना ही काफी हो. भूल जाओ उसे and move on out of love. जरूरी नहीं कि उससे लड़ना ही उसको राजी हो. बर्बाद कर दो उसे. This time you are out of love. But is she? Because when a man cheats on a woman, she knows that when a home breaks, it shatters with it a million hopes and dreams to make peace, to create war, to not let go of anything without leaving her claw marks on the seams. And through all this hell, she also knows that this is her unraveling herself. She knows that this infidelity is a learning path. She knows that it is a path to healing her own self. She knows it is a path of finding who she had lost within her heart. She knows when a man cheats on a woman, she knows that she can either forgive, forget, or fight. But what will she choose to do? What should she choose to do? Will she do it out of love, or will she be out of love? Trust me, only she knows.